Hello, mummy. Right? I love you with the oh my. You're such a gorgeous boy, do you know. I think you're so handsome. Honest. I think you're so beautiful, you know. You love your daddy, don't you? Yeah, you do. You're so calm, aren't you? Instead of crying. I wish you'd do us a favour and stretch your legs a little bit more though,
No,
instead of
really.
keeping them clamped up, do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Hey, I wish you'd do that, I wish you'd do this. Kiss. Look. Ah, you think you're getting food? Look at you, you greedy little get. What's this?
I didn't get what was that gay?
You greedy little get, I said.
Ah.
You think you're laughing at daddy now? Ah, you think you're getting food and you're not getting food. You cheeky little monkey. You're beautiful, you know that. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful, you know. I love you so much. I love you so much, little mama. I love you so much.